So this is our destination and we are just going to the station. As you can see,
मोबाइल ही हो ना
we are going to take our train
एंड द व्यू
like this from here, and our train will be arriving here and we will soon reach towards our journey. We will be waiting. This is Kanpur Central platform number 1 and there that will be second platform number. And as you can see, this view is like, you can also see फिर मिलेंगे this type of banner, and some are also limit, like whenever the train comes here you have to come here, Pravesh in, and then
एंड
that much. So I will be showing only limited thing that I am able to record. Okay, so as you can see, स्टेशन बहुत ही बड़ा है, काफ़ी बड़ा है, अब जो कि न्यूली अभी इनमें बना हुआ है, तो फैसिलिटी ओवरऑल है बट थोड़ा और इम्प्रूव हो सकता है. बंदर आल्सो गोइंग हेयर, you can see the monkeys are also here, and this is everywhere, even on the train, not metro but everywhere are monkey. This is monkey kingdom. These are lifts, we can also go by the lifts, and emergency panel is here. These are some waste management, gila kuda and suga kuda, so we can also put our dustbin like any type of garbage material here. And you can see people, some they are going in the lift, so everybody can go. Our train is also coming here, you can see, but this is not our train actually. Our train will be coming from here, and these are the difference gap for the two train, because this is double seater train, double seater rail I would say. एंड हमारी ट्रेन आ चुकी है फ्रेंड्स, एंड ये हमारी ट्रेन तो नहीं है लेकिन वो जा रही है आईआईटी की तरफ, हमारे लिए अलग तरफ जाना है, तो ये ट्रेन आने वाली है. यू कैन सी द ट्रेन हैज अराइव्ड. या दिस इज द व्यू.
नाउ द
हैज
going to IIT Kanpur. As you can see, our train has came, so we will be taking our seat from here, and let's see.
That's
Come on, this is the view of metro. As you can see, आओ, come on, यहाँ से यहीं बैठो, आ जाओ.
there are also like mobile charging plate also, and I think view is good, है ना?
This one. Yeah. Overall view, you can also see people are very less in this train, and overall बहुत कम लोग भी हैं, as well as AC are also well, and our train is going softly. We have to catch it. This is the view, very perfect, and view is very perfect, very smooth. This is JK Cancer Stan, and this is new. You can see everything, whatever will be coming in the way. I will try to show you.
यात्रियों से अनुरोध है कि वे मेट्रो ट्रेन के दरवाजे बंद होते समय
This is
अवरोध
Different LPS cardiology in Kanpur. OPD also. You can see we are going from here, and from this side there is very clear or different view, and overall our journey is going to be very different. I have gone many times from this way also. This is the way where I used to go by the daily. This is different, some different buildings are also coming in the way. I will be showing some different type of thing. This is Rama. LLR hospital also came in the way. So our train will be stopping or new our
बाईं ओर खुले
like station is LLR hospital. So our LLR hospital station has came, and we are just going smoothly. Okay, you can also come if you are coming for Moti Jheel. You can also come out here because from here the way is very less. Anybody who wanted to come here or wanted to go for Moti Jheel, they can also be like come out here. Yeah, this was the different situation, and center will be come out. There are some people who are not able to manage. They are just going like they wanted to tell कि इनके लिए कुछ लाइक मिस्टेक हो गया कि ये लोग स्टेशन पर नहीं आ पाए, अब देखो बंद होने वाला है. सो व्हेन एवर यू कम you have to know the station proper, and then you need to like आपके लिए वहीं पर उधर जाना है, अदरवाइज आपकी ट्रेन चलती रहेगी और आपको पता नहीं चलेगा मुझे कहाँ जाना है. So our train is departing from the LLR hospital, and this is the view. Different, oh my god, it's a totally cinema, absolute cinema. And this is also rail, different like rail. Please everybody subscribe my channel if you are first one watching first time, or if you even not have subscribed. This is our Moti Jheel. Okay, this is Moti Jheel, Kargil Park view. You can see Kargil Park view, and it's totally absolutely like very different. And this one is DM office, I would say district magistrate of Kanpur. This is Niwas Sthan of DM office, district magistrate, Nagar Ayukt माननीय. Okay, so I will be
मोती झील दरवाजे
showing you next station is our Moti Jheel area. Moti Jheel also, Moti Jheel, because you can also like take Moti from LLR, but for Moti Jheel this is special Moti Jheel like station, so you can also refer to here for Moti Jheel, but you have to move around 500 or 300 meter after this. Our train is going from Moti Jheel, and we will be departing from here. Okay, people are also going from here, and those who have came out here, they are also going. So we have to take a different train because this is going only towards IIT. We have not need to go IIT Kanpur, so we are just lefting this train for the Bada Chauraha. We will be taking different train. Okay, so जब तक आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए. So this is went reverse direction for the IIT Kanpur. Okay, this is the view of dustbin of Moti Jheel station. You can see quite managed, but a little bit something bad. Yes, कचरा is also here. People are like रास्ते खा रहे हैं, उसमें थूक रहे हैं, तो ये सही नहीं है. We have to also manage the some basic like facility provided by the government, but we need to become a civilized person. Okay, and this is the way. You can also come out by the lift also. Stand clear of the yellow line. Okay, we have to stay away from this wall line, and ये कुछ बीच में इस टाइप का बना दिया जाता है. And our train also coming on the way. You will see this one is also going towards IIT Kanpur, and you may see also IIT Kanpur की तरफ जा रही है, तो इसमें लिखा हुआ भी है. भीड़ काफ़ी बहुत कम है, and I would say journey in the metro become very easier. If you are coming for Kanpur, you should also, I recommend you to visit it by this train. This will be your great experience, because most of the people going by the, right now time is 12:55, and this is like 1 minute. Kanpur Central. Next train will be arriving here, going towards our destination, towards parade. So we will be taking that one, and उसके बाद क्या होता है मैं आपके लिए बताऊंगा. सो हमारी नेक्स्ट ट्रेन भी आ चुकी है, यू कैन सी. तो तो हम इसी के लिए लेंगे एंड इसमें बैठेंगे। सो व्यू इज वेरी क्लियर, यू मे सी। कानपुर सेंट्रल की तरफ जाने वाली है ट्रेन, तो हम इसी को लेंगे एंड यहाँ पर हम लोग बैठे। कम ऑन, ये ट्रेन काफ़ी भरी हुई है, लग तो रहा है ऐसे ही, लेकिन देखते हैं कितना क्या रहता है भीड़। इस वाली ट्रेन में बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है। द क्राउड इज़ वेरी मोर देन प्रीवियस वन। आगे चलो, चल रहा हूँ, चलो चल आगे चलो, आओ आगे चलो यार।
सॉकेट की
यू मे सी द जर्नी ऑफ कानपुर।
सुविधा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं।
This one is going towards Chunniganj station and we are just coming from Moti Jheel. Next station will be Chunniganj, then Badesar Bada Chauraha. So we will be departing from there. Vedanta Hospital is also here. This one is here, Jal Hi Jeevan ground, and you can also see police also are here, and this will be going soon. We will be going, this is green, I think this is park. I will not tell you name. If you know, then mention the name of this park. Soon our train going to be underground. हाँ ठीक है। So I will show you full view of the train becoming underground. Okay, तो देखिए मेरी ट्रेन, हमारी ट्रेन होने वाली है अंडरग्राउंड, होती जा रही है, होती जा रही है, होती जा रही है, होती जा रही है, एंड सून ये ट्रेन चली जाएगी खुफिया गुफा के अंदर। आई वुड से सीक्रेट केव। दिस इज टनल, आई वुड से अराउंड 800 or 900 meters totally, and this is the work was done by the and I would say view is clear. You can see I will be showing you other view after the passes of this underground route. Okay, I am showing you full view of underground because this is not much. Soon we will be going out of underground. This is the crowd in the Kanpur Central Metro, and now I would say we are going. We are arrived at Chunniganj station. I would say soon we are going out of the underground. You may note the timing of the underground. Yeah, we are out of the. We are out of the, I would say, underground and arrived at the Chunniganj. You may see here is not totally out of the underground, but yeah, it's looking like here. This is Naveen Market, and after this we will be arriving at Bada Chauraha. We are getting close out of the Naveen Market.
Next station is Bada Chauraha.
Again underground. This is Bada Chauraha. Come on, we are going. This is the view. We are going from out of Bada Chauraha exit route, and you can see this is our Tiranga Jhanda, and absolute journey is going to be very like it. I would say great, enjoyable, and I will also show you different view of the Bada Chauraha. For what thing Bada Chauraha is famous. You can also come up here, and you can also towards the platform. You can also use these all things. Firstly, we are going towards the toilet. Okay, these are for female toilet, and these are some, I would say, शौचालय, but not gentle room, accessible toilet, and this is the view of I would say hand wash. For hand wash thing you can also come up here, and this is for toilet. Everything looks right, and people also can come here for directly toilet, and I have done toilet, and this will automatically work. Okay, you can see after some time it will work within 2 minutes. बंद करो, toilet facility
as well as
everything is looks good. And this one, these are the chappals, or like chappals not. Here are some famous like these type of chuniya and these all type of thing. You can also use this water. Okay, so this will help you if you do something like this, you will realize here. Okay, and इसके लिए
whenever you come here, you have to pull here and the water will go like here. Okay, so you can use this water. And now you may also see here some books are also famous here. This is Bookland.
and you may see like different type of toys are also here. These are some balls, some pens also, and you can see some books like Adam Raj, Juthan, Chanakya Niti is also here. This is famous book, Achar Chanakya ji, Dhyan, Ambedkar, and also book fair. You can see, you can also study different type of books. The Final Gambit. If you are a boy lover, you can also study or take from here or buy from here different type of book. I will bought here different book. Bhagat Singh, Why I Am Atheist. This book I have read and this is very great. I would also recommend you, whenever you come here, you should watch here from here. Now we are going exit route towards the exit route of the Bada Chauraha. So the view would be like this. We will again use our ticket and then we will go one by one. Come on. Yes, no. So my friend is also going and his way is open right now. I will also same do. My ticket actually got full, so I will be putting it here. And this is open, friends. We are out of the Bada Chauraha railway station, and you may see this is for going exit route for the Bada Chauraha. So we are going from here. Come on, we have asked from one lady because we don't know the way. So you can ask from anybody here because this is underground actually. So you have to go out of like ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा आपके लिए, उसके बाद आपके लिए मिलेगा रोड मिलेगा आपके. Okay, so because this whole train is underground, so you may see here some different type of view. So we are going actually towards the plane of earth, the plane of the road. So this is the view, this was the view, friends, of the Bada Chauraha railway station. I mean metro station. Okay, so we are out of the Bada Chauraha metro station and this is the view. As you can see, there are some students who are also going. कहाँ से आ रहे हो? कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो? 10th में. बोर्ड ISC CBSE? ICSE. कुछ बताना चाहोगे अपने बारे में? मेट्रो से जा रहे हो? जी. कहाँ जा रहे हो? नवी मार्केट. गुड लक. Come on, we are just going towards parade. So we have to go from here and then we will be going towards parade here. Okay. So हम लोगों को कुछ बुक्स परेड लाइक बुक्स परचेस करनी थी, इस वजह से हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं. यदि आपके लिए भी कोई भी बुक्स परचेस करनी हो तो आप भी फ्रेंड्स कर सकते हैं. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इस ब्लॉक के लिए यहीं पर बाइंड अप कर दिया जाए बिकॉज यहाँ से हम परचेसिंग करेंगे, लाइक बुक्स के लिए ही परचेस करेंगे, उसके बाद वापस चले जाएंगे. एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू आल्सो mention about some very like famous thing, that is Z Square Mall. Okay, so if you wanted to come here, you should also come up here visiting Z Square Mall. Z Square Mall are also located here, and you can like purchase everything, I would say, because here in Kanpur, Bada Chauraha as well as the Z Square Mall is famous. They made for each other, I would say. This is actually Bada Chauraha metro station, but वहाँ पर हमारे लिए उतारते हैं तो हमारे लिए वहाँ से भी जाना पड़ता है. Then यहाँ से Z Square Mall है, यहाँ से बोर हो रहा है. You can see boring machine also here, and this is Z Square Mall, and we are not going because we have to watch some books in the parade market. So we will be going towards parade market soon. And ये आपके लिए दिख रहा होगा यहाँ का पोस्ट ऑफिस है कानपुर का. And let's see This is Kanpur post office and you can also see बस स्टॉप बड़ा चौराहा। तो यहाँ से सारी बस आपके लिए, यदि किस बस रूट से जाना है तो यहाँ से सारी बस यहीं पर ही रुकती हैं, तो आप यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं। बिकॉज दिस इज़ फेमस एक्चुअली फॉर बस स्टॉप। फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज परेड एंड फेमस फॉर बुक्स मार्केट। इसके लिए आपके लिए कोई भी बुक चाहिए हो आप यहाँ से परचेज कर सकते हैं। तो मैं यहाँ से जाने वाला हूँ दोपहर 5 मिनट में बुक्स के लिए परचेज करूँगा यहाँ से। Friends, this was the video and we have arrived at the parade market, especially famous for the books as I already mentioned you. And हम लोग यहाँ से कुछ बुक्स परचेज करेंगे, देन उसके बाद हम लोग वापस चले जाएंगे। As you can see, तो दिस वॉज द वीडियो। आपके लिए वीडियो कैसा लगा आज का, जो कि ब्लॉग की फॉर्म में भी था, अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहिए। और अब हम लोग बुक्स परचेज करने वाले हैं, तो आपका वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। अब मिलते हैं हम अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।